We know what you're searching for. You're searching for locksmith companies in Carroll Stream, but you don't know where to go. Carroll Stream Locksmith will aid you with any of your locksmithing needs. At Carroll Stream Locksmith, we have the best deals for our clients. We provide top quality work that is trusted and prompt. We have a team of specialists who are highly seasoned, lots of salt and pepper, and have extensive up-to-date knowledge about advanced security measures. Carroll Stream Locksmith is an authorized agency, and this is one reason that we are favored by our customers. So call Carroll Stream Locksmith 773-257-7594.